Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through the easy setup process of the Linksys RE9000 Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're using the manual method or the quick WPS option, this step-by-step tutorial will help you extend your Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate dead spots in your home or office. Learn how to connect the RE9000 to your existing network and optimize its placement for the best performance. Stay tuned for tips on getting the most out of your Wi-Fi extender. So first of all, let's start with the product unboxing. Inside the Linksys RE9000 extender box, you'll find the Wi-Fi range extender itself, which has a sleek, black design with 4 external antennas for improved coverage. The package also includes a quick start guide to assist with setup, a power adapter for the extender, and a regulatory and warranty leaflet. Everything you need to get started is included, making it easy to quickly enhance your Wi-Fi network's range and performance. So let's start the setup process. First of all, connect the Linksys RE9000 Wi-Fi range extender to a power outlet near your router. Now take an electronics device like computer, laptop, tablet, etc. Use a computer or mobile device to connect to the default Wi-Fi network of the extender, usually Linksys Extender Setup XXX. Now open a web browser according to your choice. In a browser, go to http://extender.linksys.com or enter the extender's IP address. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your home Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Once setup is complete, unplug the RE9000 and relocate it to an area halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. This should extend the Wi-Fi coverage in your home or office. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.